If your skincare product is vanishing faster than your money, then you need to watch this video. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. I'll teach you how to stretch every bottle, jar, pump without compromising results. First of all, let's know why your products run out so quickly. Number one is overuse and product overload. Number two is using too much of each product. Number three is storing product incorrect. Now let's move on to product by product saving tips. So for your cleanser, you only need a dim size amount, except you are using a cleanser that is not really foamy or is not really giving you what you want, even if you use a dim size amount. Number two is for you to not double cleanse unless you wore makeup or sunscreen. So most times you might be indoors like me. Sometimes I'm indoors and I don't wear my sunscreen. Even if I want to wear my sunscreen, it's just a little. So if you know that you're not wearing makeup, you're not wearing your sunscreen, please just leave your cleanser. Just do once. You don't need to double cleanse. You don't have to double cleanse your face. But if you know that you wear sunscreen or makeup, you need to double cleanse your face. And even when you want to double cleanse your face, you can still use a dim size amount of cleanser for double cleansing. You don't have to still use much because you are double cleansing your face. Number two is your serums. Your serums, you need only 2 to 3 drops of serums. You don't have to put here, put here, put here, put on your nose, put on your eyes, put everywhere on your neck. Just 2 to 3 drops is okay for your serums. You don't have to do too much. Sometimes two, in fact, highest two is enough for your serums. You to go all over your face. Number three are your moisturizers. When you want to apply your moisturizers, put it on your palms. Then you rub it together and apply it on your skin. Some people will come, they want to apply their moisturizer. They will take it, put it, maybe they want to moisturize their hands, they'll just moisturize it on their hands and they'll come to this side and put it on their skin and moisturize this side and no, you can just put it on your palms and use it to moisturize your skin, even on your face. Put it on your palms, moisturize all over your face. It will go all round. Or even if you don't want to put it on your palm, you can just put it on your face like this, and just pin size too. You moisturize your face. Second tip is for you to always apply your moisturizers on damp skin. Don't allow all the products to dry out completely before you apply your moisturizer. Let there be a little moisture on your skin before you apply your moisturizer. That way it will lock in hydration and also, make your skin to be properly moisturized. Your sunscreen, you need to use the 2 finger rules. Except you know your sunscreen is very thick, then you can go ahead to just use one and gently apply it on your skin. But 2 finger rules for your sun. Now let's move on to the storage and shelf life tips. Number one is for you to keep your products away from direct sunlight and heat. You don't want to keep your skincare products in a hot environment or in a hot space. Keep your skincare products in a cool space where heat will not get to it and destroy the ingredients in the product. So if you have products that you need to put in airtight containers or pump bottles, please get pump bottles, get airtight containers and put your skincare products, okay? It's not that product comes in a nylon or in a sachet. It doesn't mean that you should just be using it like that. You can just pour it into a pump bottle or into a jar to better preserve your product. Another tip is for you to alternate products strategically. You can alternate your active instead of using all of them. Yes, you can decide to use niacinamide serum today and decide to use vitamin C serum tomorrow. You don't have to use niacinamide serum, vitamin C serum, glow serum, everything at once. Alternate your product. That is how you are going to successfully make your skincare products to last longer, because trust me, skincare products is not smiling. Skincare products is really expensive. It's not smiling at all. Let me know in the comments which of these tips surprised you. Share it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.